Good morning, students. Today we will learn about English literature, grade 2, that is chapter number 5. Chapter number 9, Kalidas. Kalidas, we will now learn in this chapter how the one boy or a one boy or a man, how he came a name of Kalidas. Let's read the chapter. Kalidas was a court poet of King Vikramaditya of Ujjain. So, Ujjain, a place of मध्य प्रदेश, एक जगह है मध्य प्रदेश में जो वहां पे एक हाईलाइट पोएट है जो दैट नेम वाज किंग विक्रमादित्य. ओके, he wrote many plays and poems in Sanskrit. There is beautiful story of how Kalidas got his name. It also tells us how he became a great poet. Okay, here you can see there is a beautiful story of Kalidas, how he got the name, and it also tells us how he become a great poet. Okay, and how he got the name. He could not go to school because he was very poor. He had to tend his father's sheep. Okay, he was not going to school because he has no money. So how he can go? His father was tend to his father's sheep. शीप भेड़ बकरी को वो टेक केयर करता था. ओके, देन इन अ नियर बाय सिटी lived a king who has beautiful intelligent daughter. Okay, her name was Vidyavati. She said, whoever can answer my question will be my husband. Okay, there was a city where a king lived. Her daughter was very beautiful as well as intelligent. Her name was Vidyavati. She said, who can answer my question will be my husband. In the previous time, the husband are chosen by its intelligence as well as his bravery. Okay. So, next, many kings, warriors and learners men tried to answer her question, but they could not. Okay, many kings, warriors people who fight with the battle. जो दो बैटल जो फाइट करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं वॉरियर्स. ओके, सोल्जर्स. एंड द लर्नर्स हैव अ लॉट means learn means have a lot of intelligence. Warrior learner man, but they could not answer a single question of that Vidyavati queen. Okay, then they had to go disappointedly. Okay, she laughed at them. They were very angry with her. They want to teach her a lesson. Okay, they go disappointed. Disappointment, upset because they hope for the best and कुछ होता कुछ और है इसलिए disappointment होता है. Okay, she laughed because they could not answer the question of that queen. Okay, then they want to that learners and warriors want to teach her a lesson because she laughed at them. Then what happened? One day some disappointed learned man was a young shepherd. Then sitting on a one day some disappointed learned lean man saw a young shepherd sitting on a branch of a tree. He was cutting it. They thought how fool this young shepherd is. He is cutting the branch on which he is sitting. Soon he will fall down. Okay, one disappointed lean. Okay, that man saw a young shepherd, जो पेड़ बकरी चाहते बोलते shepherd. Okay, sitting on a branch. or where he is sitting, that the branch what he is cutting, that branch he was sitting, जो branch वो काट रहा है उसी पे वो बैठता है. तो वो लीन मैन सोचता है हाउ फूल, कितना पागल आदमी है कि जिस पे बैठा है उसी को काट रहा है. He sitting the branch on where he is sitting. Soon he will fall down. वो सोचता है अभी तो ये गिर ही जाएगा. Then he's cutting the branch on which he is sitting. Soon he will fall down. Suddenly they had an idea. They made a plan. They asked him to go with him to the city. He agreed to do. There they gave him tasty food to eat and delicious buttermilk to drink. Then he slept on a soft bed. When he got up, they bathed him, rubbed oil into his skin, and then sprinkled perfume on him. They dressed him a fine cloth and tied in a white and gold turban on his head. The poor illiterate shepherd now looked like a great scholar. So that lean man, what he did, he thought to plan because he want angry with that queen. Okay, that king's daughter was very clever. So he thought of an idea to uh, let her teach her lesson. So what he thought, let take this shepherd. ये शेफर्ड को ले जाता है, ये तो वैसे भी इसके अंदर कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, तो वो क्या करता है, दे आस्क हिम टू कम विथ देम विथ सिटी, वो उसको ले जाता है, तो वो एग्री हो जाता है, ठीक है चलो. देन उसको टेस्टी फूड खिलाता है, देन बटर मिल्क भी देता है, अच्छा से बेड देता है सोने के लिए. देन उसको फिर से नहाने के लिए देता है, उसके सारे बॉडी पर बटर ऑयल से मसाज and perfume. They used to give him perfume and dressed with a fine cloth and tied a golden turban means pagdi. And that poor illiterate shepherd now looked like a great scholar. Scholar means, illiterate means a person who does not know how to read and write. Okay, ये तो पता है illiterate. And scholar means a person who knows a lot about a subject, that is called scholar, first class. Okay, so now that man exactly look like a literate people. Now next what happened? Then they said to him, listen shepherd, we are taking you to the king palace. There the princess will ask you question, don't answer, make action with your hand, we will do the rest. The shepherd agreed. So that disappointed lean, okay, that king asked that we will take you to the king palace. There was a princess. वो जो प्रिंसेस क्वेश्चंस करती है विद्यावती, ओके, वहां आपको ले जाएंगे और आप बिल्कुल आंसर मत करना. क्या करना, आप आपके हैंड से एक्शन करना और रेस्ट हम सब संभाल लेंगे. ओके. देन द शेफर्ड एंड द लीन मैन रीच्ड द पैलेस. The guard took them to the princess. Vidyavati laughed when she saw the finely dressed young man. She thought another fool has came to try his luck. Okay. Then the shepherd and that lean man reached the palace. They go to the palace and that guard take that both of them to the princess Vidyavati. Okay. Then Vidyavati start laughing. Why? Because no one man are such intelligent to answer that question. Okay. Then what she thought, another fool came, now handle this. Okay. Then the lean man said, princess, here is a great scholar, you can ask him any question, but he will not speak, he will answer only with gesture. The princess then pointed one finger at the shepherd. The lean man made sign to him. He pointed two fingers at her. Then she made more gesture. He replied his gesture. Okay. That lean man asked, princess, ये कुछ बोलेगा नहीं, ये स्कॉलर है इसलिए वो अपने हैंड से ही बातें करेगा. ओके, तो प्रिंसेस सेड ओके. देन प्रिंसेस क्या करती है, शी asked her for she showed her one finger, the shepherd. Then the lean man means signed to him. Okay, then that that man, that illiterate shepherd took two finger at her. वो एक दिखाती है, वो दो फिंगर दिखाता है. देन शी मेड मोर जेस्टर, और भी दो फिंगर दिखा के वो ऐसे रिप्लाई करते रहती है. ओके, बिकॉज ही शी हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो वो जो उंगली से बात करता है तो वो भी उंगली से बात करती है. Then the scholar explained the meaning of the gesture very cleverly. The princess thought, "What an intelligent man! He shall be my husband." The next day, the princess married him. After the wedding was over, she had a great shock. She found out that the young scholar was an illiterate shepherd. She wept bitterly. She understood that the lean man had tricked her. Okay. So here what happened? That lean man very intelligently एक illiterate man को सामने खड़ा कर देता है. तो what she thought, he is an intelligent man. Okay, now I want to marry him. She married her. After her wedding was over, she had great shock. So क्या शॉक लगता है, ये तो illiterate है, illiterate shepherd है, फिर भी जो भेड़ बकरी चराता है. She wept bitterly. Bitterly means in a way that showed feeling of badness or angry. उसको बहुत गुस्सा आके और बहुत रोती है. She understood that the lean man has tricked her. Right? Then what happened? What was she going to do now? How was she going to live with a foolish husband? At last she thought of a plan. She said her husband, "Go to the Kali temple tonight and bolt the door from inside. At midnight, the goddesses Kali will knock on the door and ask you to let her in. Tell her that you will open the door only if she bless you with wisdom. If the goddesses agree, open the door and let her in. If she did not agree to bless you, don't open the door." Okay. Now that princess thought how I could live with that illiterate man. So what she did? She thought that she asked her husband, go to the Kali temple. Kali temple, you know, नौ दुर्गा में से एक गॉडेसेस होती है काली माँ. ओके, जिसकी टंग बहुत रेड होती है, लंबी होती है. आपने देखा होगा, नाइन दुर्गा की में से एक अवतार होता है काली माँ का. ओके, शी वॉज अ डिस्ट्रॉयर ऑफ अर्थ. वो सब डिस्ट्रॉय कर देती. इसके पीछे भी स्टोरी है. ओके, देन व्हाट शी आस्क्ड हर हस्बैंड that go to the काली टेम्पल टू, और अंदर से डोर लॉक कर देना. रात को गॉडेसेस काली आएंगी और वो नॉक करेगी, तो आप दरवाजा मत खोलना और उनको बोलना, आप जब तक मुझे आप चालाकी विजडम नहीं दोगे, चालाकी दिमाग नहीं दोगे, तब तक मैं आपको नहीं खोलूंगा डोर. और वो अगर अग्री करेगी तो आप डोर खोल दो, और नहीं करेगी तो आप डोर बंद ही रखना. Then the shepherd did what the princess told him to do. When the goddesses came, she agreed to bless him with wisdom. He opened the door. Then the goddesses Kali wrote the scared letter in the Sanskrit language on his tongue. Okay. Then the shepherd go to the temple, and what the princess told, he do like that. The goddesses also agree to give him wisdom. She agreed with the wisdom, and he opened the door. Then the goddesses Kali wrote the sacred letter of the Sanskrit language on his tongue. Okay, so वो scared means holy letters in his Kalidas tongue. Okay, then When he returned to the palace, he could sing beautiful poems in the Sanskrit. The princess was very proud of him. The shepherd became a great poet. He was now called Kalidas, or the servant of Kali, because of the goddesses Kali has blessed him. Okay. Here, then he returned to the palace and he can sing beautiful Sanskrit poem, and he become a great poet now, and the princess also proud of him. The shepherd become a great poet, and his name now become a Kali Das, means the servant of Kali. Okay, because he was a goddess and blessed with wisdom with Kali. Okay, so here you can see how Kalidas got his name Kalidas. Okay, so I hope you learned this, like this chapter. Okay, and please read this chapter once. Thank you everyone.